Hi, Kathy Milligan here from the Creative Space. We're making beads today. Well, at least one bead. I'm gonna make a cupcake bead. It's one of my superpowers, and I realized I don't have any bead making videos on my YouTube page. So, I'm gonna do that. And yeah, I'm gonna make a cupcake. So let me turn on the flame. Propane first, strike, then add oxygen, and get this going. So I've got my mandrel, that's what creates the hole. Y'all wondering, where's the hole come from? Wrap the glass around. So I need to preheat my mandrel because glass needs a hot surface to stick to. Don't mind that. That's just thermal shock, also known as science. This glass doesn't like to be heated up as quickly as I just did. So I preheat my mandrel and touch it and roll away. That's really important, that when you are applying your glass, that you roll away. So I'm adding what I need, heating the glass I'm using, keeping the bead out of the flame while I apply the glass. And then easily pull that away. Okay, I'm gonna shape this up, clean up the shape a little bit with my graphite paddle. Use graphite because hot glass won't stick to it. And now I need to put in the ridges that the paper would make. So I use the shaping tool for that to press in indents. So I heat, indent, and do this all the way around. More. So I'll do with my paddle a little bit of cleanup. Awesome. So now I want to heat up my white. And I'm keeping my cupcake warm because if I don't, it might break. So we like to call that insurance heat. Okay, so open this up and I'm going to frost the cupcake. Touch and roll, again, rolling away from me. And again, I'm heating the glass that I'm using next. And then kind of wind that off. This is actually a deceptive color. It's a pink. But that's okay. It looks white, but it strikes in the flame. Striking is having the color come out from the heat. So now I'm going to take some stringers and I'm going to apply sprinkles. And so I'm keeping the stringer on the edge of the flame and I'm moving the bead. I'm not moving the stringer as much as it looks like. Next color. I love making these little guys. Go for another color. And again, I need that insurance heat so that the cake doesn't break, the frosting doesn't break. More insurance heat. More colors. And let's see if we can squeeze some yellow in there. Couple spots. We're not looking for perfection because one, perfection's overrated, and two, the most perfect cupcake. Be just a mess, but tastes delicious. Okay, so again, I want to make sure all my little dots are melted in enough so that they don't break off. I need to make sure there's enough heat throughout the bead without losing its definition, because I don't want those ribs to go away and I don't want my dots to go away. I want them to stay raised. Okay, cool. Check it out. That's pretty cute. Okay, one last little bit of heat and I'll put it away. How was that? That was fun. All right, now go make something.